From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello and good evening, State College. I'm student meteorologist Ryan Gold with the Campus Weather Service, and the day has finally arrived. It's Thon tonight. What can we expect going in and coming out? I'll let you know in just a minute. But first, the conditions across State College. Got a little bit of sun, some blue sky poking through, and we also had a little bit of rain throughout the day. But it's still a fantastic Friday with this pleasant 46 degrees. That's well above average for this time of year, but it's going to get a little bit colder. But first off, let's take a look at these temperatures across the state. You can see that split between State College and Harrisburg, and even a little bit of cold up there in Erie. That cold is going to be dragging on down to our neck of the woods once this cold front fully passes. But you can see the progression here as this band of precipitation pushes more northeast towards the Scranton area. We can see that a little bit easier here in the Futurecast. We can see Scranton right in the center of that precipitation band. Philadelphia might get a little bit more, but the I-95 corridor will definitely get a little bit of rain. Now, as we progress through the rest of the day, we can see that not so much cloud cover anymore. A little bit clearer by Saturday in the afternoon. That's going to be peak Thon hours as well. So if you want to get out of there, take a break. If you're not a dancer, of course, you just get a little bit of sun as well, and come back in to party up with the rest of the Thon people. Now, in terms of Sunday, when Thon lets out, a little bit more precipitation, some snow. We'll get a nice layer of coating. It's going to be slick and it's going to be slippery. Your legs might be buckling from standing all weekend, so you're going to definitely be careful on your way back home from Thon. But it's going to be pushing on through by Monday, so not much else to worry about. We might have a little bit of ice later on, but we'll get into that in just a moment. Like I said, Thon is today. The entrance to Thon, when you're waiting out there in the BJC to get on in, 45 degrees, very pleasant conditions, and partly cloudy skies. So it's going to be very warm as you make your way in to Thon. But for those of you who aren't going to Thon and just going out on the town, it's going to be 22 degrees. You're going to want to bundle up because those wind gusts are going to reach 10 miles per hour. It's going to make it very, very cold with that feel-like temperature. So please bundle up if you're going out tonight. Now, in terms of tomorrow, 36 degrees. This is below average for this time of year. Average is around 38 degrees, but still partly sunny skies. So it's still a nice time here in February here in State College. These are going to be peak hours for Thon, so if you want to get out there, soak up some sun, and then head back on in. But how about the 7-day forecast? Well, let's take a closer look. Saturday, like I said, very pleasant conditions with the sun. Get out there from Thon, take a break in the sun. But then Sunday, we're going to have some of that snow as well. Be very careful on your way out of Thon. We won't have a lot of in terms of accumulation, but your legs are going to be tired, so you're going to want to be definitely careful. Monday, just cloudy conditions, but Wednesday, have a little bit of everything. We're going to have snow, we're going to have rain, we're going to have freezing rain, we're going to have sleet as well. It's going to be very, very cold conditions, very slippery and slick conditions as well. But Thursday, a warm-up with rain. It's going to wash out all the ice and all the slush. So be prepared for that. For the Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Ryan Gold.